Deleting credit memos one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when you are cleaning up duplicate credit memos, test entries, wrongly imported records, or old customer credits that were created by mistake. Credit memos can affect customer balances and invoices, so make sure the records you select are safe to delete before continuing. Instead of finding and deleting each credit memo manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you search credit memos, review the results, download the list if needed, and delete selected records from QuickBooks Desktop. In this video, I'll show you how to delete credit memos in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Delete. Here, you'll see different ways to find records for deletion. You can search from Uploaded Files, QuickBooks Search, Filter, or Search by Reference Number. Uploaded Files helps you find records that were already imported through SaasAnt based on the selected date range. QuickBooks Search lets you search records directly from QuickBooks by transaction type and date. Filter helps you narrow the results using available fields. Search by reference number helps when you already know the exact credit memo numbers you want to delete. For this example, I'm using QuickBooks Search. Select the QuickBooks type as Credit Memo. Now choose the date type, such as Created or Modified Date. Select the date range. Then click Search. SaasAnt will now fetch the matching credit memo records from QuickBooks Desktop. Once the credit memos appear in the grid, review them carefully. Select only the credit memos you want to delete. You can also download the list before deletion for your records. Once everything looks correct, click Delete. SaasAnt will show a confirmation message before deleting the selected credit memos. Review the confirmation and click OK to continue. SaasAnt will now delete the selected credit memo records from QuickBooks Desktop. That's how you can delete credit memos in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.